डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूले स्टडी करने वाले हैं. दोज फार्मूलाज यूज फॉर सॉल्विंग द एमसीक्यूज ऑन नीट जेईई और सीईटी एग्जामिनेशन. सो लेट्स वी स्टार्ट. सो टुडे वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द एनर्जी ऑफ, रिमेंबर द शेप, आपको शेप याद रखना है, एनर्जी ऑफ रिंग or hollow cylinder performing the rolling motion. As we know that what is the rolling motion, आपको पता होना चाहिए what is mean by translation motion and rotational motion. Then you can remember the rolling motion. Translation motion means the object is moving from one point to another point along the straight line. Rotational motion means the object is rotating about its own axis. Or translation motion means possesses both, that is rolling motion means possesses both, that is translation motion as well as rolling motion. So let's we start. This is the shape of the thin ring or hollow cylinder. So now the thin ring or hollow cylinder performing the rolling motion. So whenever it's performing the rolling motion, we have to remember some notations. That is u be the initial velocity or speed. It becomes zero because वो start होगा from starting से, जब भी it's performing the rolling motion, so initially उसका speed zero रहेगा. After that it gain the speed, that is v. V be the translational speed. Then omega, when it performing the rolling, so omega becomes angular speed. R be the radius of a body. Body means now here that is ring, we have to study ring either or hollow cylinder. M be the mass of the ring or hollow cylinder. Most importantly आपको पता होना चाहिए what is the moment of inertia of a thin ring or hollow cylinder. ये फार्मूला आपको याद रखना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन सॉल्व द examples. So that is I equal to mk square. So remember, this is the most important formula. That is I equal to mr square. So remember the moment of inertia of thin ring or hollow cylinder. So we have to compare with standard moment of inertia. So what is the standard form of moment of inertia? I equal to mk square. So compare with this. So after equating both, what we get? So that is equating both. So after equating both, what we get? That is mk square is equal to mr square. So on both side m get cancelled. So what we get, the ratio k square divided by r square, we get that is 1:1. So now as we know that what is the formula for energy of body performing the rolling motion? So remember E equal to half mv square into bracket 1 plus k square divided by r square. So substitute the value of ratio of k square divided by r square, that is 1:1. So what we get, that is half mv square into bracket 1 plus 1, that is 2. So that is half mv square into bracket 2. So 2 get cancelled. So what we get, final answer, that is mv square. So this is the energy of ring or hollow cylinder whenever it is performing the rolling motion. So ये बहुत important फार्मूला है, इसको आपको याद रखना है फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन नीट जेईई और सीटी पर्पस के लिए. सो अच्छे से नोट डाउन कीजिए. अगर कोई डाउट है सो डेफिनेटली यू टेक्स्ट में. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली वीडियो आपको अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब आपको जरूर करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.